This how-to will be on how to add a radio channel to the system. You're just going to come to your Welcome to VT3000 page. We're going to be selecting the core software. Once we're on this home page, we're going to want to go to Outputs. We can select that here, or we can use our icons. Creation, Outputs. I'm going to get on this page here. I'm going to have to flip over to page 2. However you need to, so we can find that. So essentially we're looking for this radio channel from the add new. So we're going to hit this. This is going to ask us for that output name. Generally, so put the channel number, say channel 3. This channel number is the channel that the base unit of the radio is programmed to. So it'll have 1 to 16 channels. So this would be whichever one that is. I'm just going to say that, channel 3 is actually channel 3. This is going to ask, do you want to replay that message? So as it comes out, maintenance needed station 1 is, do you want it to play just once? That's what a 0 would be. If you add 1, it means it'll repeat it 1 time. 2 would be repeat it twice. So I'm just going to say that I want to repeat it 1 time. So it's going to say, maintenance needed station 1. And then it'll say it again, maintenance needed station 1. And then that'll be it. Include an escalation notification. So what this means is after that initial message goes out, for the next one that comes out that is escalated to that level 2, that's what it'll say. It'll say maintenance needed at station 1, level 2. So it'll let you know what level in the escalation that it's on. You can select that or not. Once you get that established, then you're going to do the availability of this channel. So when are we going to broadcast over that channel? So the first option is not available, which that would mean that we're not using that channel. We're not going to send any messages to it. The next one is always. This means all the time. We're going to broadcast on that channel no matter what the day or time it is. Generally is the rule. The other option is we could select during specific shifts. Right, so we can select the schedule. It has our shifts established, and then we can check mark which shifts we want to broadcast on this channel. So for this example, it'll be like first and second shift. Once you have that set up, save and exit. This will bring it up here where you'll see your channel 3 has been added. You'll see over here on the right that now we have a radio channel total of 1. You can add as many as you need. You can edit it if you need to, but that will conclude our how-to on how to add a radio channel. Look forward to talking to you again.